Hi everyone, Gabrielle Helene with Justmyinput. Today we're going to discuss what to do when your garbage disposal stops working. We all know that when we turn it on and if you fill it up too much, or there's all kinds of different reasons, but sometimes it just stops working. So here I'm going to show a quick demonstration of what it should sound like. That's a beautiful sound, isn't it? Plug it right here. Make sure it is unplugged. Once you've unplugged your garbage disposal, you're going to notice there is a red little button right here. I'm going to go right over it, right there. That's a reset button. The first thing you should do is make sure that you click on that. You should hear a click, and then you can plug your disposal and try again. Before you plug it in, another thing I recommend is that you put some gloves on and clean it out. Go feel. Make sure that there's no metal. Make sure that there's no pieces of glass. Be very careful because all kinds of things can end up in there. It could be a seed that's really hard that is not going through. And then use this little piece here. This middle part right here that you see, you have a little wrench, something like this here, that goes with it. Usually every garbage disposal has one. You just go ahead and you put it in, and then you turn it, and then you're going to hear it click. What it does is it turns the blades inside. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. Now, if your garbage disposal is leaking at the bottom, it could very well be that it's rusted and you probably need a new one. All right, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please click the subscribe button to help me out, and also like this video. Thank you so much for watching.